Right, we have my 3D printed DJI Inspire. I built this about a year ago. It hasn't been used much because I've never really had time. But I've just had it up flying. It seems to fly okay. I'm doing this video for a friend who wants to build one to try and show more detail where all the parts go. I'll just have a walk around it here so you can see what's going on. You can see the placement of the VTX, the UHF on the other side, the VTX on this side. It runs a 5000 4S cheap Hobby King battery. I can't remember the kV of the motors, but I'm running 12x6 props and get 7 minutes flying out of that. Bear in mind it's only a 10C battery. So anyway, enough of the video. What I'll do is I'll get it powered up again and I'll get my friend to sort of watch it flying, sort of thing, you know what I mean? See if we can get a video of it. Thank you. The motor kV is 650. It runs 12v6 props. The Graupner E-props. As you can see, it's just a cheap and nasty multi-star, actually 5200. It's only 10C and it flies for 7 minutes. Bit of a nightmare to get the battery in. Well, it's just compact. I have had issues with it. The current flow on the battery must be affecting the GPS, so I've had to use copper tape to try and stop it affecting the GPS itself. But it seems to fly okay. I'll demo it in a second. We'll get it powered up and see how it goes. Get this damn battery in. I'll just switch the transfer on. There's our lock. So anyway, we'll fire these motors up. Punch it up. Arms raised. And let's move it on. You can see how it flies like that. So that's in cruising position. Drop the arms again as it comes in, just to show you it. Maybe. That's arms down. Raise them up again. Arms up. Actually looks really cool with the arms up. You get the timing right when you come into land. It looks really good as you put the arms down and land. There you go. You just back yourself again and land it.